Let's make a nice, juicy Caribbean style stewed chicken. Some countries call it Bronx stewed chicken, but for me, it's just stewed chicken. You will be able to suck the meat right off the bone. Today, as you can see, I've coarsely chopped my flavors. I'm going to be using this in 3 different ways in my stewed chicken. I'm going to make my curry powder. You don't have to use curry powder. I just like the flavor. Some people call it curry stew, but I like my stewed chicken darker when it has curry. I find it gives it a really nice smoky taste. My clove and black pepper and allspice, AP seasoning, salt and Maggi, and the special touch, 2 heaping tablespoons of my green seasoning. I'm going to give this a mix and allow it to sit there for about 45 minutes before I start cooking it. You can season it overnight and allow it to marinate in the fridge. When I am adding curry to my browning, I don't like to just add the raw curry. Some people use just the raw curry in their browning, but I like to make it into a slurry as if I was gonna chunky my curry. I have chief ground masala and I have a regular curry powder. I have 1 tablespoon of each, and here I have about 1/4 teaspoon of coriander. I just give this a really nice mix. Nice brown sugar with 2 heaping tablespoons of brown sugar. This is going to caramelize very, very fast. And now I am going to add my curry mixture to this. I'm allowing the curry to fry up a little bit before I add my meat. Now I'm going in with my chicken. If you are enjoying the recipe so far, please follow the page, and also I would like to ask you to please share my video, as Facebook is giving me such a hard time to share as I cannot share my video at this time. Before I continue, I'm going to quickly wash my hands. The smell of this is so lovely. You can also find me on YouTube at the Potspoon Kitchen. Please head over there and check out that channel, and I will appreciate if you can please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to cover this and allow the chicken to spring the liquid. Looks like. Now I'm going to add 2 allspice leaves, and I have 2 bay leaves. So I have since added my bay leaves, as you can see, and my allspice leaves, and I'm going to add just a little bit of water to this and some coconut cream. I don't like using coconut milk in the pack. This is 60 grams of coconut cream. I'm going to season this up with some more fresh seasoning, and I'm going to allow it to cook for another 20 to 30 minutes. I'm adding some ketchup. about 3 tablespoons. A last batch of fresh seasoning. This is to give the flavors that extra freshness in the end. You can see the oil from the coconut cream simmering, and the coconut cream is going to thick this up very nicely. I'm going to taste for salt, and then I'm going to add salt to this. You can click on my comment section for some other recipes. I will put some other recipes in there. Alright, so now I'm going to cover this up and allow it to sit for about 20 minutes. I'm going to be eating this with breadfruit. So it's going to be breadfruit and stewed chicken. Alright, so this is done. I'm going to turn this off. Nice and thick, just the way I like it. If you enjoyed this video, please follow the page. Also, please help me to share my video as Facebook has blocked me, and I'll be posting recipes a few times per week. And here you have it, stewed chicken. Check me out on YouTube at the Potspoon Kitchen. Thank you for joining. See you on another good day for another great recipe.